We'll guide you through how to make HDR photos in Lightroom Mobile. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom Mobile on your device to begin editing the photo. Once the application has launched, import the photo you want to edit into your library. After the photo has been imported successfully, open the image in the Edit workspace to access all available editing tools. Next, open the Light panel to begin making the primary lighting adjustments. Reduce the highlights to recover details in the brightest parts of the image and prevent overexposed areas from losing important information. After adjusting the highlights, increase the shadows to reveal more details in the darker areas while maintaining a balanced appearance. Continue by adjusting the whites to control the brightest tones and improve the overall brightness of the image. Next, adjust the blacks to create deeper dark tones while preserving visible details in shadowed areas. After completing these adjustments, increase the contrast slightly to improve the separation between bright and dark areas, giving the image a more dynamic appearance. Once the lighting adjustments have been completed, open the color panel to refine the overall color appearance of the photo. Increase the vibrance slightly to enhance less saturated colors while maintaining a natural-looking result. Adjust the vibrance gradually until the colors become richer without appearing oversaturated. If needed, adjust the clarity slider to improve the mid-tone contrast and add more definition to textures and details throughout the image. Apply the clarity adjustment carefully to avoid making the photo appear overly sharp or unnatural. After completing the color and detail adjustments, review the HDR effect by checking the overall brightness,